Hello, my name is Fadlan FATAH, attendance number 23. Without water, life as we know it would cease to exist. Living organisms depend upon water for surviving, including humans. Most areas all over the world rely on rainfall for the supply of fresh water. Rain is basically drops of liquid water that fall from clouds to distribute water naturally across the land. However, how is rain formed? The oceans are the main source of rain, but rivers and lakes also contribute to it. When the sun shines, it heats and evaporates the water. The water vapor then rises into the atmosphere as an invisible vapor. As the air is cooled, the water vapor in the cooling air condenses to form clouds and the raindrops. Raindrops start to form when there is particulate matter in the air, such as dust or salt, at temperatures above freezing. These particles are called condensation nuclei. When the nuclei are cooled to temperatures below freezing point, water condenses around them in layers. The particles then become quite heavy that they resist updrafts and fall through the clouds as rainfall. Technically, of water drops with diameters greater than 0.5 millimeters are called rain. Smaller drops are usually known as drizzles.